Hey, this is Tony Hill, chilling at home in the hour room. Hey, I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. And some will call me a online credit dispute expert. Look, I'm here to tell you that unlike the experts tell you don't dispute online because you're going to be giving up some of your rights, not true. Look, you just need to know how to do it. I have gotten hundreds and thousands of negative items off from my clients online with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Experian and TransUnion sometimes happens within a few hours. Equifax a little longer, but still quicker than mail. But you need to know the secret formula how to do it. First, for the first time, I'm offering down below, all you gotta do is click down below, I'm offering my online dispute guide and my online dispute script. You might want to pick that up if you're looking for quick results, but you need to know how to do it. All right, Tony will make you some credit. Peace.